In today's video, I want to guide you how to create a table in Excel, be it personal project table, be it house project table, be it company project table. So this is very simple. Let's start. First, you have to come to your Excel spreadsheet like this and open it. Now, make sure you have access to whatever you want to do. Let's say this is my personal project for student in year 1. So let's say student personal budget for year 1. Now hit the enter button to take you to the next line. Let's put one serial number XN. Then hit the tab button to take you to the next line. Let's say items. Then hit the tab button. Let's say amount this time around. Now you have it like this. Then let's come to this place. Let's say serial number 1. The first thing you need is what? Is your house rent. Then tab house rent. Then click on the tab button. Let's say the house rent is 500. Then let's leave it out later. Then the next one, number 2, is, then let's put the serial number in order, and then click the enter button. 3, enter button 4, enter button 5, enter button 6, 7, enter button. Then let's put this last total, just to mention but few total. Now come back to the second item that you need for this project. What you need is, after that, you need to buy foodstuff. Let's say foodstuff. Then let's come back to this place. What do you need again? After foodstuff, you need utility, compulsory. Then you need transport or transportation. The next one is what? Let's say pocket money. Then the next one, let's say books. Then the last one, let's say projects. Now you have all these here. Now come back to this place, move your mouse like this and drag this one to increase or to decrease. Let it be like that. Then come to this place, expand this one so that you have access to everything you have here. Then come to the next one, which is, then do it like this. Now come to this first one, drag it to this place, then come to this merge button, click on the merge. It merged this place. Then come to this one and this one together. Then let's change the font. Let's use or click on this arrow and select area black. This is good. Now come to this place again. Let's quickly do something here. Click on this place where you see amount. Go to general button here, click on it, then click on currency. Then drag downward to this place, to the last button here. So let's enter our budget now, the amount we are budgeting for this. So house rent, let's say is taking $200. Enter button. Then the full stop is taking about $250. Enter button. Then the next one, utility, is taking about $50. Then enter. The next one, transports, go and fro, is taking about $120. Enter. Then pocket money, in case, let's that one be $80. Enter. Then books, very good, let's say $120. Enter. Now projects, let that be maybe $60. Now enter. You've gotten all this. Now you need to sum it up. To sum it up, click on this place, double click on it, then tap equal to on your device, then type SUM, then double click on the sum. It comes out like that. Then bring your cursor like this and drag downward, then close this bracket, hit the enter button. Now it sum up everything here, but the way it is not that okay. You need to design it very well. So let's start by putting this one first. Click on this one, then come to this fill button, click on the arrow here and select color. What color you want to give it? Let's give it black. No, let's give it green. Let's change the color of the text. Click on this one and select white. That's okay by me. You can select any color that suits you. Then this one, let's pick this one. This time around, let's click on this arrow and select yellow. And you can take different color from any of these, and you can come to this button that says more color. You click on it, and this button pop up here. You have standard and you have customize. So if you click on standard, you can pick from any one of these color, and if you click on customize, you can click here and drag to anywhere that you like or that suits you. Just pick any one that suits you here. So let's do that together. Let me go for red. Okay, let's say we here, then you can as well drag this to make it okay, then click on OK. That has been done here. Then you come over at the same time, come back to this place, let the serial number item be the same color of the, then just click on this button. Now click out. You'll be able to do this. Now it's not that okay with me. I want us to centralize this button here. Click on it, then come back on this button and click on central. Now it centralizes it. Then this one is okay, and this one, let's put this one together to come to this side. So as well, click on it, then click on this button to bring it here. Now as well, let's do this one and make it bold. Click on this button and make it bold. That's all, guys. So you've been able to create table in Excel covering a personal project, student project, or company project. So if you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.